A 5-speed Crown Vic is a real-life cheat code. Don't believe me? You will soon. Now this white Crown Vic behind me is my marauder-killing Cobra Roush tribute car. As a matter of fact, here's a little clip of it beating my old Marauder when this car was bone stock. Well, since that last drag race, this Cobra Vic has been dyno tuned by Mo's Speed Shop. And received even more weight reduction. It's a 5-speed swapped Crown Vic. It's got a T5 5-speed manual transmission off a 2004 Mustang GT, and it's also got a 93 octane Marty tune. Now, as far as modifications go, that's about it. This car still has a full interior. Hell, it's even got a subwoofer in the back, along with a bunch of car parts and random tools of mine. The Cobra Vic is fully gutted, with almost 200 pounds worth of weight reduction, along with track-rated tires and suspension, a 93 octane Marty tune, and a Hellcat-inspired functional headlight intake snorkel. The 5-speed Vic, on the other hand, is just a regular Crown Vic with a 93 octane Marty tune and, of course, a manual transmission. Now, the reason I have both of these cars parked next to each other is because I want you guys to see the absolute God mode difference of having a manual transmission Crown Victoria as opposed to having an automatic transmission Crown Vic. I want you guys to keep all of those things in mind when watching this next clip. And you'll see for yourself why I say that having a 5-speed Vic, it's an absolute cheat code. So, what's it like to drive a manual swapped Crown Victoria? Well, to be honest, I can actually sum it up in one word. Ridiculous. Let's go, baby! Now, before we go any further, I'd like to give a huge shout out, a big thank you to Marcus for actually letting me have this 5-speed Crown Vic. As a matter of fact, here's a little clip of when I actually went to go pick this very car up all the way up in Wisconsin. All right, guys, so we're out here in Wisconsin, and as you can see, we're in the middle of a nice little snow flurry, but right here, this is the owner. This is the original owner right here, Marcus, of this bad boy right here, the 5-speed Vic. One thing is to hear it from me. Another thing is to directly hear it from the man himself. So just let him know what you've done to it, man, and it's all yours.
Pretty much, it's a base 2010 Crown Vic. It's got a 04 Mustang transmission that's been rebuilt down in Chicago, and me and my buddies put it in. We got an 80RT clutch in there, Marty tune, 93 only. Pretty much, other than that, it's a four-door Stang.
He's not shitting you when he says this thing's a four-door Stang. There's no other way to describe it. You got to drive it for yourself. But there it is, boys. It's the real deal right there. No bullshit. It really is a four-door Mustang. And you got a sub in the back too, a little something for the sound.
A little something for the sound for yourself.
Okay, I got you. Know. That'll help with the weight distribution right there. I was gonna put a battery in the back, but we got the sub. We'll leave that in the back, man. Hell yeah. All right, now as you guys can see, this is a familiar sight for people who watch my channel. This is a familiar sight. All of these Crown Vics out here. There's another thing though. Marcus is selling. Obviously, I'm here for one of the ones he's selling. He has another Vic that he's selling. You got a lifted one too, right? I
actually just sold that one, unfortunately.
Damn. Okay, so he's down to one more that he's selling, guys. This is probably the most special Crown Vic. In my opinion, this thing is supercharged, and it's available. It's for sale. Hit him up right here on his Facebook page. Hit him up. Oh man, come on, man. Oh yeah.
It's not perfect, but
oh man, I mean it's
PS3 supercharger.
It's close to it though. There it is. There it is, man. And this is for sale, right?
It is for sale. Okay,
hit them up on the Facebook page if you guys are interested, especially if you're in the Wisconsin area or Illinois, or hell, like me, I drove my ass from Tennessee to come out here. But oh yeah, this thing is nice, man.
80TR supercharged kit.
Oh,
got the MSD 2 coils, brand new alternator,
coilovers,
Bronco fan, Ride-Tech coilovers, massive Watts link rear arms.
Damn, dude, this thing is fully hooked up.
New front control arms on top and lower.
It's ready for battle.
Wow, dude, this thing is fully hooked up. I should have taken out a loan or some shit, man. Damn, I would have had my mom drive this shit back too. But it's available, guys. Hit him up right here on his Facebook page before this thing sells. He already sold the lifted one. Manual one's going to me. Supercharged one is left. He's got it fully decked out. I mean, everything that you can possibly do to it is almost pretty much done to it at this point. So
I've got another set of rims for it, a set of 20s that tuck pretty nice.
Hell yeah. Same
color as the rear arms and Watts link. So
there it is. Man, that's what I like about these two, that they're loud as fuck, even when they're idling, you know. Yeah, like some people want the quiet ones, but it's like I want that. Hell yeah, I want it to sound like that. Damn, you guys better hit him up before I make it back to Tennessee and come back up here again, man. Oh, it's got the pipes coming out the side with it?
Did all the metal fabric stuff.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. And that side as well. Oh, shit. It's literally got everything. Yeah. Oh. Damn, this thing has everything. This is it right here. Hell yeah. Hit up Marcus if you guys want to buy this. Driving a 5-speed Crown Vic has to be the biggest mind F of all time. While driving this car back home from Wisconsin, I can't count how many times I was just cruising on the highway only to forget I had to downshift to merge onto traffic. It's a constant back and forth between thinking you're driving a regular old Crown Vic and then feeling like you're driving a Mustang when you're shifting. Now, like you guys saw at the beginning of the video, the advantages of having a manual swap Crown Victoria don't just apply to driving in a straight line. For example, watch me downshift and hit this corner right quick. Having a 5-speed swap on a Crown Victoria or any Panther car has to be the #1 modification on anybody's list, I'd say, besides having a Marty tune. And hell, if you can have a Marty tune and a 5-speed swap, you're already at the 1% of most Panther car owners. As you guys saw, the 5-speed Vic beat the Cobra Vic without effort. It literally looked like the Cobra Vic was standing still. And that Cobra Vic beat a stock Marauder before it even had a Marty tune or it had more weight reduction. That should show you guys how much of a leap forward having a manual transmission on your Crown Victoria actually is. There's a lot that I have planned for this car, and I'm planning on doing something to this car that's only ever been done one other time, except I'm going to take it to the next level. Stay tuned for the progress of this car because things are about to get real. Either way, it's your boy Mr. Random. I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, so we're almost back home from the trip. Well, ¿qué es eso? ¿Toallita?
Toallita pingamocha.
Toallita pingamocha. So we're driving on the highway. Cars keep getting close to me. They get close, then they drive by real slow. They laugh their ass off and they take off. I kept asking my mom, what the hell are they laughing about? And then I remembered that this car So needless to say, it's been providing some great entertainment for me and my mom on the drive back with this car.
Toallita pingamocha.
Espera, acércate.
Toallita y bicho corto.
No, toallita y